Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are re-diving into the world of one of the planet's most adorable and spiky creatures, the hedgehog. Get ready to learn some amazing facts about these little guys. So what exactly is a hedgehog? They're small mammals, instantly recognizable by the sharp spines covering their backs and sides. And here's a fun fact to start us off. Those spines are actually modified hairs made of keratin, just like our own hair and nails. They're hollow and stiff, creating a super effective defense system. You can find hedgehogs across Europe, Asia, and Africa, and they're incredibly adaptable. They live in all sorts of places, from dense forests and open grasslands to farmlands, and even our own backyards and gardens. Hedgehogs are true creatures of the night. They're nocturnal, which means their day really gets started when the sun goes down. During the daytime, they're usually curled up, snoozing in a cozy nest they've built from leaves and grass, or hiding out in a burrow. This keeps them safe from predators and out of the harsh sunlight. But once dusk settles, it's go time. They venture out to forage for food. And let me tell you, their menu is quite diverse. What do they eat? Well, hedgehogs are omnivores with a big appetite for insects. They love munching on beetles, caterpillars, and other creepy crawlies. They're also big fans of earthworms, snails, and slugs, which makes them a fantastic natural pest controller for any garden. But it doesn't stop there. They'll also nibble on fallen fruits, mushrooms, and occasionally, if the opportunity arises, they might even eat small reptiles, amphibians, or the eggs of ground-nesting birds. By eating such a wide variety of things, hedgehogs play a crucial role in their ecosystem, helping to keep insect populations in check and maintaining a healthy natural balance. Now let's talk about that famous defense mechanism. It's probably the most well-known thing about them. When a hedgehog feels threatened, it does something truly remarkable. It quickly curls its entire body into a tight, almost impenetrable ball. All those sharp spines point outwards, creating a prickly fortress that's very difficult for most predators, like foxes or badgers, to get through. A special set of muscles along their back allows them to pull their skin and spines down over their head and feet, completely protecting their vulnerable underside. It's an incredibly effective strategy. To avoid getting into a dangerous situation in the first place, hedgehogs rely on their other senses. While their eyesight isn't the best, they have a fantastic sense of smell and incredibly sharp hearing. They can sniff out a tasty worm underground or hear the faintest rustle of a predator approaching, giving them a vital head start to either hide or roll up. Another fascinating and slightly strange hedgehog behavior is something called self-anointing. When they encounter a new or strong smell, they'll often lick and chew at the source, creating a frothy saliva, and then use their tongue to spread this foamy mixture all over their spines. Scientists aren't 100% sure why they do this. Some theories suggest it could be a way to camouflage their own scent, a form of defense by making their spines taste bad, or perhaps it's related to mating. It's one of those quirky little mysteries of the animal kingdom. When it comes to their social lives, hedgehogs are pretty solitary. They prefer to live alone and are not territorial, often having overlapping home ranges. They generally just go about their own business, foraging for food by themselves. The main exception to this solitary lifestyle is during the breeding season. This is when males will actively seek out females. The courtship can be a bit of a noisy affair, with the male circling the female for hours, often with a lot of huffing and puffing involved. After a successful courtship, the female hedgehog is pregnant for about 4 to 6 weeks. She then gives birth to a litter of babies, which are called hogolts. Isn't that just the cutest name? A typical litter has between 2 and 6 hogolts. When they're born, they are blind and their spines are soft and white, hidden beneath their skin to protect the mother during birth. Within just a few hours, these spines start to emerge and harden, and a darker set of spines begins to grow in after about 2 weeks. The mother hedgehog is a dedicated parent. She raises her young all on her own in a specially prepared nursery nest. She keeps them warm and feeds them her milk. For the first few weeks, the hogolts are completely dependent on her. After about 3 or 4 weeks, she'll start taking them out on their first foraging trips, teaching them how to find food for themselves. Once they're around 6 to 8 weeks old, the hogolts are ready to leave the nest and start their own solitary lives. What about the changing seasons? In regions with cold winters, hedgehogs have an amazing survival strategy: hibernation. As food becomes scarce and the temperatures drop, They find a safe, sheltered spot, like a compost heap or a pile of logs, and go into a deep sleep. During hibernation, their body undergoes incredible changes. Their heart rate can drop from about 190 beats per minute to just 20, and their body temperature can fall to just a few degrees above freezing. This allows them to conserve a massive amount of energy, surviving on their fat reserves until spring arrives. When the weather warms up, they slowly awaken and get back to their active nightly routines. In the wild, a hedgehog's life is full of challenges. They face threats from predators, traffic on roads, and habitat loss. On average, a wild hedgehog lives for about 3 to 7 years. However, in protected environments, like wildlife sanctuaries or as pets in places where it's legal and properly managed, they can live for up to 10 years. Hedgehogs are truly unique and wonderful animals, from their spiky coats to their nocturnal habits. They play a vital part in their environment and bring a lot of charm to the natural world. I hope you enjoyed learning all about these fascinating little creatures today. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more adventures into the animal kingdom. We'll see you in the next one.